Hey guys, so we have just finally released our book, our recipe book for the hidden creation. This is just a showcase of the book. It's definitely taken us over probably all in all 8 years to put this book together by combining the combination of my experience of working in the front of the house, in the back of the house, um, in the culinary industry, my wife's experience of working in the pastry industry, and then with us taking classes over the past few years to learn about the cannabis industry, to learn about the cannabinoids, the different type of terpenes that you can see here. You can see here we talked about the infusion methods because we just realized that as much as we all at some point thoroughly enjoy smoking, at some point you do realize that it might not be the healthiest option, and I wanted to be able to showcase different avenues that we can do that in. And by combining, like I said, a lot of our experience of working in the back of the house, we've been able to find recipes that work really well using the herb. Very earthy tones. You can see here we have appetizers, here we have our salads and sides, we have our main dishes, sauces that we've combined. We have desserts. My wife has been an amazing pastry chef. We have mocktails. And we just can't wait for you to take a look at this book and to thoroughly, go through it. If you are interested, the link is in our bio, and you'll be able to purchase the book directly from our website. And I'm glad you were able to take a look at this. Thanks.